everyone, welcome back to another one of my video. Guys, in this video I'm going to be making a smoothie. I'm going to be fixing a little problem I'm having here, guys, with the help of my spin gym here. I love this handy portable spin gym. With the help of my spin gym and a smoothie, I am going to fix the problem. I like to help myself, guys, if something goes wrong. Like, the first thought that comes to mind is not about, oh, I need to go see the doctor kind of thing. No, I'm not that type of person. I feel good when I help myself. So guys, I have like a stiff back here. My back is feeling stiff lately, and I know it's because I moved. It may have resulted from me moving some furnitures or bad posture. Okay, let's get into the video. So guys, it's gonna be a simple smoothie, simple and quick, and I'm gonna be using coconut water, supplement, the ripe banana, blackberry, blueberries that I'm gonna wash, and I'm going to be using just a little piece of beet, guys. While beet is good for you, studies also show where beet can be beet has side effects. Okay, so I'm just going to be using a little piece, and I find that, like, guys, you use just a little piece of the beet, like, everything turns red. It's that strong, the color. But then studies also shows that the beet leaf, guys, is healthier. Okay, and you see all this stem here, like, it's just that part alone makes your entire whatever you're making smoothie red. So I'm gonna be using just this one piece. I'm gonna wash the beet, and in baking soda. You saw in my other videos, guys, how I wash my produce, right, with baking soda. So I'll go ahead and do that, and then we'll get back to making smoothie. So guys, if you might be wondering why I use baking soda, because baking soda is not harmful if it goes in your body, right? You can even drink baking soda water. If you put some baking soda in your water, it's good for you. It's also, baking soda is good for a number of reasons. It's good to the baking soda, it's good to brush your teeth, like, so you don't have to worry about the baking soda getting down in your system. So baking soda is good to use in the kitchen in many ways. Everything. I wanted to measure like a cup of blueberry and a cup of blackberry, but it's okay. And blueberry, my favorite, blueberry, and blackberry, blueberry, beet, all starts with the letter beet, banana, and let me just wash these. I'll sprinkle some baking soda here and get some water onto this and leave to soak, and then I'll get blended. Oh, I forgot, guys, my ice is in this bag. I'm gonna break some of this ice for my smoothie. So while the beet is while the berries are soaking in the water, guys, I'm gonna be using just a small piece of the beet, because as I said, the beet is very strong. So let me cut and beet has side effects, guys, but it's also good for you. And if you use a small amount, like, it won't hurt, right? A small amount goes a long way, so that's good enough. That won't affect you. Because, guys, whenever I use beet, I find, you go to the bathroom and your urine is red. So, which is why you don't need a lot, like a small amount. This is good. So, guys, this small amount, I'm gonna peel the skin, remove the skin, because the leaf, they say, of the beet is more nutritious. More of the nutrient is in the leaves, in opposed to the beet itself, the root. So this is the leaf I'm gonna be using. Okay, so because I'm using the leaf along with the beet, I'm just gonna peel the skin off this. So I'm gonna rinse my berries here. I'm gonna drain this water and rinse it several times, and then I'll get into making my smoothie. I'm very excited, guys. As I said, guys, I have a stiff back, and like, you know, I'm with deep breathing in and out, that helps, and you know, eating properly. So guys, I'm gonna peel the skin because I'm using the leaf, and the studies show that the leaf there is more nutrient in the leaf than the root itself, the beet. So I'm gonna peel in the skin, and then, or else I would have to spend more time scrubbing that skin some more. So yeah, let me rinse my leaf here and wash it carefully. So guys, off camera I poured some water in my Vitamix and rinse it out, because I like to wash my, if I have my Vitamix sit in for a while, or whether or not, you know, every time I use it I rinse it, put some water, rinse it out. Let me drop the beet in, the ice, and I have here a cup of Blackberry. You could use a cup or 3/4 cup. I have your cup of blueberry. You could use a cup, or you know, a 3/4 cup, half a cup. Actually guys, I'm wondering if I think I'm putting too much. I think I'm putting too much blueberry. So with the cup of blueberry, I'm going to use like, yeah, 3/4 to half a cup, guys. I'll put some more ice. I like to rinse my ice before putting them in. And the next step is the beet here. The beet's going in. And the beet stains, guys. It stains your hand. And I'm going to be using 2 ripe bananas. 2 or 3. I think 2, because I'm going to be adding the coconut water. And the supplement. Supplement I love. So guys, you don't have to use, if you don't want to use milk or supplement, you could use just the coconut water or whatever liquid you would rather add to your smoothie. And guys, this piece, you see this piece here? They say it's good for you. I used to throw it away, but not that piece, like this piece here. Yeah, the stringy piece that you probably remove from your banana. It's good to use. It's good to not to throw away. Like, it's good, so don't throw it away. And my Vitamix looks pretty loaded here with the blueberry. Maybe I had put too much blueberry, but it's okay. I love blueberries, so which is why I put it. And then I'm gonna put my coconut water. I love coconut water. I'm gonna measure a cup. And this is liquid measurement. I do have your dry ingredient measurement, different from your liquid. Lots of electrolyte in that stuff. Coconut water. I love coconut water. And okay, I'm gonna blend this before I add the supplement. Get my tamper stick washed here because it gets the job done faster with the Vitamix. And now I'm gonna add the Supplement. So the Supplement, guys, okay, let me taste it without the Supplement to tell you what it tastes like. Without the Supplement, it's good, it's refreshing. Like maybe on a summer day. Without the Supplement, I mean, you could add lime or lemon, because I'm putting the Supplement in it. I won't add the lime or lemon, and that's the Supplement there. Oh, let me measure the Supplement. Put a cup also of the Supplement. Nutriment. Okay, guys, 3/4 cup, right? 3/4 cup of Supplement. Yeah, because I don't want to overload the Vitamix here. And time to taste. I can't wait. I'm so excited. Actually, let me taste it before pouring it. Guys, I have to check to make sure my camera is running. Okay, because I don't want to be here thinking I'm recording and it's good. I would say to make it a bit sweeter, but no, guys, I won't make it sweeter. You could put a date, like, you know, the sweetness came from the banana. I don't want to put too much sugar. But maybe one more banana, maybe, and just for sweetness I'll add one more banana. I like a bit of sweetness, guys. And then my blender here is getting a bit crowded, like, so I don't want to let it start overflowing. And the extra banana is just for sweetness, okay? The natural sweetness, as well as you could put dates. So as I said, guys, you could put the coconut water or the Supplement if you want to put just one of either, or you could put both, or, you know, whatever liquid you rather use, if it's milk. Guys, I got these straws at the dollar store, so I'm going to be using one of their paper straws. So now it's time for me to taste, okay? For the moment of truth, guys, it's time to taste my smoothie made of banana, beet, blueberry, blackberry, coconut water, and Supplement. Good. So guys, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, okay? And thanks for joining me once more with another video, and see you in the next video. truly is good, guys. It really is good. I'm telling you, like this, the recipe, it is on point. Cheers to health. Health is wealth.